Chime or CashApp, which is right for you? You've probably heard the buzz about Chime and CashApp. They're both digital banking platforms that promise to revolutionize how we handle our money. But are they really the same thing? Or are there significant differences that could make one a better fit for you? That's what we're diving into today. Let's face it, managing money can be a real drag. Between bills, savings goals, and the occasional splurge, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's where these digital platforms come in, offering a fresh approach to financial management. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to know where to start. So, what sets Chime and CashApp apart? Are they just two sides of the same coin, or do they have distinct personalities? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what they have in common. Both Chime and CashApp allow you to send and receive money instantly, right from your phone. No more waiting around for checks to clear or worrying about bank transfers. It's like having a digital wallet that's always with you. But here's where things start to get interesting. While they share some similarities, Chime and CashApp have different strengths and cater to different types of users. Chime, for instance, positions itself as a full-fledged bank alternative. It offers checking and savings accounts, with features like overdraft protection and automatic savings. This makes it a great option for people who want to replace their traditional bank with a more tech-savvy solution. They also have a strong focus on building credit, with options like secured credit cards. On the other hand, CashApp is more of a peer-to-peer payment platform with added features. While you can link a bank account for deposits and withdrawals, it's primarily designed for quick and easy money transfers between friends and family. It's also popular for buying and selling stocks and Bitcoin, making it a good choice for those interested in investing. Let's dive deeper into the specifics. Chime's checking account comes with some perks, like early direct deposit, which means you can access your paycheck up to 2 days early. This can be a game changer if you're living paycheck to paycheck. They also offer a high-yield savings account, which can help your money grow faster. CashApp, on the other hand, has its own unique features. The Cash Card is a physical debit card linked to your CashApp balance, which can be handy for in-store purchases. And let's not forget about the investing features, which can be a fun and potentially profitable way to grow your money. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Both platforms have their drawbacks. Chime, for example, doesn't offer traditional brick-and-mortar branches, which might be a deal-breaker for some people who prefer face-to-face banking. And while CashApp offers investing, it's important to remember that investing involves risks, and you could lose money. So, which one is right for you? It depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a full-service bank alternative with a focus on building credit, Chime might be the way to go. But if you prioritize quick and easy payments, with the added bonus of investing, CashApp could be a better fit. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to explore both options and see which one feels more comfortable for you. Both Chime and CashApp offer free accounts, so there's no risk in giving them a try. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to personal finance. What works for one person might not work for another. The key is to find a system that suits your lifestyle and helps you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving and spending.